Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 401k in Gusto. So first head over to app.gusto.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, click on benefits. You will then be redirected to this page and all you have to do is click on 401k. Here you can see a list of 401k partners that you can choose from. So to get started, start by selecting a partner and click on the See Plan button. So in this example, we chose Guideline. And from here, just click on the Connect with Gusto button. Once again, click on the button. You will then be asked to authorize Guideline to connect your account. So of course, make sure that you authorize. You will then be prompted to create an account on Guideline. So just add in details in the fields. And once on creating an account, you're going to be asked with few questions. Like in this example, we are asked, do any of this apply to your business? If you're looking to open a solo 401k, so just make sure that you answer all the questions correctly and accurately. Then click on save and continue. You will then be asked, where would you like to begin? So basically choose plan that is available, then click on it. So this is just a sample of the on-screen prompts that you might go through depending on the plan or partner that you chose. So just make sure that you follow all the on-screen prompts of your chosen 401k partner. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!